Hey, it's your girl Mimi coming at you with another video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to your girl. And if you have already, welcome back. Okay, welcome back. Oh. And if you end up liking this video, give it a thumbs up. All right, so let's get right into this haul video. Hey everyone, nice to see you. It's been a long time and I know that I'm just so busy that it's hard to make these videos. So yeah, anywho, as you can tell by the title of this video, we are doing a haul video. I don't think I've done many of these videos, so here we go. Let me just close my door. Okay, so I went to Primark in Brooklyn on the day that it opened, and I actually didn't think I was going to make it there, but I had to return something at Old Navy, so I was like, you know what, let me just pass by, whatever. It wasn't even open yet, and so I was like, okay, maybe I came too early, maybe it's not opening yet, whatever, I'm gonna go home. So obviously, you know how Old Navy is. I don't know if every Old Navy is like this, but I feel like a lot of them in Brooklyn are like this. Like, every time I go to Old Navy, the line is hella long. Like, it's long. Why is the line so long? Why? I don't get it. So I was waiting on the line for so long just to return one thing. And anyway, by the time I was finished with that, I heard a whole bunch of noise. So I'm like, okay, let's go. Let's find out what's going on. Primark was lit. They had a party. They had a DJ, balloons. I was like... And the funny thing is, I didn't even know about Primark all that much. The only reason why I even knew was because I watched YouTube. And I watched Patricia Bright. I don't know if you guys watch her, but she is amazing. And she always talks about Primark. And Primark is in the UK. So, you know, I'm just like, oh, Primark is pretty cool. It's like, you know, affordable clothing line. You know, it's really cool. But we don't have that here, so I'm like, whatever. I'm never going to be able to shop there because it's in the UK. And probably it's in California and other places, you know, popular shopping areas. So I didn't think I was going to see it. But when I heard that KP is opening, a whole bunch of new stores are opening there. Burlington is going to be there now. Primark just opened. They're going to have Five Below. They're going to have a whole bunch of great stuff. I'm going to be there every weekend, which is not good for my budget. But anywho, that leads us to this Primark haul. This is the first time I've ever shopped at Primark, and honestly, I was just like, oh, this is heaven. Like, everything was so affordable, so beautiful, so great. I spent some coin. Okay, your girl spent some coin. I spent over $100. Oops. And I'm not returning anything. I love everything that I got. Everything was good. Everything was good? How could everything be good? You know how you go to a store and you're like a Dollar Tree or something like that, stores that are really affordable. You're like, oh, this ain't good, whatever. This quality is bad, blah, blah. Everything was good. I mean, everything was good. Anyway, so I'm going to show you the things that I bought. I think some of the things I've already worn, I've already tried on because it's Tuesday and I went there on Saturday. So some of the things I already worn, already gotten used, and only a few items still have a tag on it. But it's fine. I'm still going to show you guys anyway. So here is my huge Primark. That is freaking huge. I had 3 bags. I'm not going to lie. I had 3 bags. Your girl had 3 bags. And my boyfriend was there with me. So I was like, okay, can you hold my bags? He's like, no, you spent too much. You holding them. You see how rude that is? Anyway, so I'm first going to start out with the first thing that's on top, which is all the bags. So Primark has really amazing bags. And look at this, guys. Look at this. This is such an amazing bag. Like, it's a nice clutch. See the inside? And it has a zip inside. And you know how these clutches are like, you know, whatever. I didn't think it was even have a zip inside. It has a zip inside. And then it has the little tag, which is Primark, obviously. And it even has a chain. The chain is kind of short, but at least it has something, you know. So when you hold it, it's going to reach like right here on you. So it's not really a long chain or whatever, but it's pretty good for a clutch. I mean, sometimes you don't even use a chain. You just hold it in your hand, so it's pretty good. So I really love this. I believe this was $9. Let me find my receipt. Do I even have my receipt? Maybe I threw it away. Evidence. Let's see. Ooh, Lord, here it is. I spent $121. Your girl spent money. Can I see that? $121. Don't do this at home, kids. So that bag was $9. Quilted metal, whatever. That's that one. $9 for this. I think it's a good buy. Okay, the next bag that I have is this really cute shoulder bag. This can be extended longer, but I actually like it shorter. So this little handle here, you can extend it until you make it really, really long. So that way you could like put it over your head. And I think it's so freaking cute. The only thing is, like, I thought this part was real, so I thought I was going to turn it. No. It's just a magnetic clip. Just opens like that. No. And this one was $12. It's a color block bag. And it opens up like so. And it also has a pocket in here and just an opening right here. It's really, really nice. And that's it. It's just, and they have this also just in black and white, I believe. But I really like the pink. It's kind of like a nudish type of pink. So I really liked it. This is the back of it. So cute. And like this front of it, let me see if I could show you guys. It's kind of like a snake kind of print. Let me see if you guys can see. Yeah, there we go. It's like a snake print kind of. And here is black and here is pink. So this is pretty cool. I love it. And the accents are gold. I love this leather. It's really, really soft. Well, not leather, pleather. It's really, really soft. But that kind of means you have to be very careful with it because it probably can get smushed easily. This part is more sturdy, but this portion up here is kind of soft. But amazing bag. I already wore this too. And I bought 2 other bags that I gave. One of them I gave away. It was a fanny pack. And it was the all black fanny pack with like a small gold detail. If I find a picture of it, I'll show you guys. But if not, you know, use your imagination. Oh my goodness, this bag is huge. And then I saw this gorgeous bag. So I got this one. This is probably the most expensive bag that I got. So you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see. And this is the size. The side has like a little, kind of like a velvety touch to it. In the back, once again, it's kind of the same material that I showed you guys before with the other bag, but it's a little bit harder. It's a little bit tougher. It's not as soft. The straps are really nice. And this one, I believe, let me see, tell you guys so I don't make it up. Throw on, no, that's not the one. Yeah, front tassel tote. This is $18. $18. It has a little tassel. Pretty cute. The only downfall was that inside there's no like inner zip or nothing. It's just an open bag. Like my mom has already put her stuff in there. So there's nothing in here. It's just an open space, which I thought there was going to be some zips. These zips right here are fake. You can't do anything with them. It's just for decoration. So that's the only downfall. But I mean, it's pretty nice. It's a really cute bag. Okay. That's it for the bags. Now for the clothing. There's also something else that I bought that I can't find. I probably put it to wash and so I can't find it. But let me show you the ones that I do have. I have this really cute bathing suit. One piece, and it has the straps at the top. I already tried it on. It's beautiful. And this one, this beautiful piece. Oh, it was $3. It was $3. It might have been 16. I think it was $16. So anyways, could have been 16, I think, dollars. It's really, really cute. The back is all closed, and I think this is great for me to go to Dorney Park. And it's kind of tropical. Next thing I bought was this blazer. The blazer was $12, right? 18. Oh, sorry. No, the blazer's 18. Oh, it has the price on it. Wonderful. The only thing that has a tag on it still. So this was the blazer. It's really nice. So the tags basically look like this. It says your size. This is the US size and then how much it is at the bottom, which is pretty cool. So my size is size 12 and this fits really nice. It's kind of like you put it on, it's really loose and flowy and it's kind of baggy. It's not really tight on you, but I like that style. And it has like a nice silver button detail and it's not like a long sleeve. But if you want, I think you can make it a long sleeve, but I actually like it like this. So I love this color. It's like a camely, kind of mustardy type of color. So that was that. I really love that. And about this dress, every time I try to take out this dress, it gets tangled. But it's a really long maxi dress with stripes, and it has like a top. This is the top of it. So it has like this part which kind of flows or whatever in the wind, and then it has a really long tight bottom, so when you wear it, it really hugs your curves, and it looks amazing. It looks really nice on me. I've worn this already to a party, and it was super cute. I actually had to put something on it because my sleeves were, my arms were out, but it's much better without that, obviously. Okay, and the last thing I bought, I don't know where the other shirt that I bought was, but if I find it, I will put it in this video. What is all this dust? Anywho, let me show you now the sneakers that I bought. Crazy, right? They got sneakers. Okay, here are my Primark shoes. Primark shoes. Okay, so this is really, really cute. I'm not like a huge fan of sneakers or anything like that, but this is really super cute, and I just thought that, hey, why not? This one, let me show you this. Sneakers. It's like 5 hours trying to look at something. Was it even checked? I'm still trying to figure out what's $3. Maybe it was the top that I was telling you guys. Oh, yeah, 18. There's something that says twist control. I'm still trying to figure out what that is. Is this? Twist control? I don't know, but $16. Double layer max. No, it's not. That's the maxi dress. The maxi dress was $14, by the way. I think this was $16. I'm not sure what twist control is, but maybe it's this. It's just a really strange name. But yeah, so these shoes are very, very comfortable. I bought size 9 USA, and they're very soft. Like, your feet are so comfy because all of this is just material. It's just so soft, and the width is really good for me. It's really, really comfortable, and for the price, hey. And it's funny, there's a sticker in here, or not a sticker. It's actually like, wow, it's really, well, it says made in China right there. Made in China. I am so dead. But anywho, these are really, really nice, and I actually wanted some sneakers just to go to work with, like, blah sneakers, whatever, because these kids constantly stepping on my feet, so I needed to have really comfortable shoes to wear, and I go up and down stairs a lot, so I needed comfortable shoes to wear, and these actually feel really, really soft. So, but anywho, that was my haul. That's all I got, and like I said, I also did get a fanny pack and also another shirt, which I cannot find. Has that ever happened to you guys? Comment down below. And let me know if you like this haul video. If you'd like to see more Primark videos or any other type of video, let me know. If you want to know where I got my dress from, your girl got this from H&M on sale. It's really super cute. Yeah, so if you guys want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments below. And stay tuned for more. I'm so annoying. Anyway, love ya. Bye.